God will make a way
where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my God. Hold me closely to His side. With love and strength for each new day, He will make a way. He will make a way. God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my God. Hold me closely to His side. With love and strength for each new day, He will make a way. He will make a way. By the roadway in the wilderness, He leads me. Rivers in the desert will I see. Heaven and earth will fail, but His words will still remain. He will do something new today. God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my God. Hold me closely to His side. With love and strength for each new day, He will make a way. He will make a way.
So my dear brothers and sisters, God will make a way. Sa piyak sa aton mga pagtila sa aton kabuhi, no? Yung mga kalayahon kita, kisa nag-aabot nina sa aton nga every time lang magdayaw kita kisabala, ang kalayahon nag-aabot nina. Pero dapat gali paminsaraw naton ang aton pangunaw na dapat naka-focus, naka-sentro gid sa kay Jesus. Every time nga himo kita sa mga bulaton pagi sa pagdayaw. So, ang Diyos niya magagita sa pamaagi. Siya mangita sang way kung paano siya magbabatsyag sa imo sang iyabalaan niya Espiritu Santo. So, mamatian natin sa ayan.
Worship should cause us to reflect on the majesty and graciousness of God and Christ, contrasted to our own unworthiness. God does not have to have our worship, but we must worship Him to please Him. Our singing, praying, studying His Word, giving, and communion are designed by God to bring us closer to Him and to cause us to think more like He thinks, thus becoming more like Him. James chapter 4 verse 8 tells us to draw near to God and He will draw near to you.
Desire is to bless your holy name. My heart desire is to lift you up today. Even in the times of troubles, even in the times of trials, my heart desire is to bless your holy name. My heart desire is to bless your holy name. My heart desire is to lift you up today. Even in the times of troubles, even in the times of trials, my heart desire is to bless your holy name. Ang nais ko ay purihin ka, Jesus. Ang nais ko ay purihin kang lubos.
higit sa lahat ng bagay, higit pa sa aking buhay. Ang nais ko'y purihin ka, Jesus. Ang nais ko ay awitan ka, Jesus. Ang nais ko ay awitan kang lubos, hanggat mayroong pag-ibig, hanggat ako ay may tinig. Ang nais ko'y awitan ka, Jesus.
Come into this holy place.
I stand in reverence, Lord. I long to see you face to face and worship at your throne. I bow my knees before you, Lord. I seek the face of God. Touch me with your mercy, Lord. Cleanse and make me whole, and I will worship you. Jesus, I worship you. Your love is burning deep within my soul, lifting up holy hands. Lord, I exalt your name as I draw close to you, O holy God.
Yes, my dear brothers and sisters. Kung kantahan natin si Jesus, na sa diin ba lang magdayaw kita pag isang banon, do parius ba na gina-istorya natin siya, do lapitan na gidyo mo bala, then mabatyagan mo ang presensya sang Diyos, yung yaragin siya. Kung nakasentro ang imo panganuna sa iyak, ang imo tagipusoon, nakafocus, then ang Diyos, ang iya buhi, nga presensya yaragin, ang iya asa din mabatyagan mo nga do ka iping mo lang siya. Gani amo nang himuon gali naton kung magdayaw kita sa Ginoo. Subong balang luyag ko nga paambawon sa inyo sa Silamay. Ining ambahan nga sa diin. Every time nga magkanta ni siya, mabatyagan ko gid ang buhi nga presensya sa Dios nga sa diin. Nga kung magkanta ka gani nga alin sa tagipusoon, then makasiling ka ang Dios yara gid siya nagamanifesto. Gani pamatian lang naton ining ambahanon. My soul desire. Nasi diin kung gandahan naton ang Dios dira sa aton tagipusoon din. Yara gid siya. Subong pamatian naton ining ambahanon.
Lord, when you place your hands upon me, I knew that I would never be the same. For it at the moment I became your servant, and since that day I only have wanted. My soul desires to be used, an empty vessel longing to be filled by you. My sole desire is to serve you, Lord, to do your perfect will, to work each day and build
Your kingdom, this is my sole desire.
Lord, I do not seek the fame,
The glory,
I only wish to be under your control. For I know that you alone are worthy, and it is you who placed this longing in my soul. My soul King.